When a customer hungers for a project that meets or exceeds their expectations, precision, efficiency, and quality are non-negotiable. These ideals are fundamental to every corner of the Ahaus business. Our sales and applications teams leave no stone unturned when looking for the best solution for your manufacturing needs. From initial concept through the quoting process, your satisfaction is our goal. Innovation is at the heart of engineering and automation, and Ahaus is at the forefront of advancements in technology. When it comes to manufacturing your project, such precision is vital. But your standards are higher. You want a dedicated project engineer, your guide throughout the design and build process. Regular calls, emails, and other communication ensures that even a customer with a discerning palate will be satisfied with the final product. Our outsourcing and purchasing departments work with the highest quality components to ensure we meet your expectations each and every time. In the end, no matter the project size or complexity, we ensure the highest standard of quality, meticulous inspections, tight tolerances, demonstrated repeatability, real-time feedback, all strengthened by the most cutting-edge technology and processes in the industry. It means unmatched execution and precision on every project we touch. All ensured from our production floor to our client's desired location. The ultimate goal at Ahaus is not just project completion, it's a commitment to excellence and a delicious, fuller future for all. Ahaus, built for good. Really good.